I did dead hangs every day for 30 days, and the results surprised me. Have you ever stumbled across a fitness habit that seems way too simple to actually work? That's exactly what I thought when I first heard about dead hangs. Literally just hanging from a bar for a couple of minutes a day. No weights, no complicated moves. Just you, your hands, and gravity. Honestly, I didn't expect much. How could something so basic do anything for my body? But after 30 days of daily hangs, I was shocked at the changes I felt. My back loosened up, my posture improved, my grip strength skyrocketed, and even my stress levels dropped. It felt like I had discovered a hidden reset button for the body. And the best part? It's free, ridiculously simple, and something nearly everyone can try. In this post, I'll walk you through exactly what happened during my 30-day dead hang challenge, the science behind why hanging is so powerful, and how you can start adding it to your daily routine. Why hanging matters and why we stop doing it. Humans are literally built to hang. Think about it. We have long arms, flexible shoulders, and strong thumbs designed for grip. Our ancestors swung through trees. Kids naturally play on monkey bars without thinking twice. But as adults, most of us stop. Instead of reaching overhead or hanging, we spend hours sitting, hunched forward, and staring at screens. Over time, this creates spinal compression, gravity pushing us down all day, rounded shoulders and forward head posture, stiffness in the upper back and chest, decreased shoulder mobility, and more injuries. In short, the less we hang, the more our bodies break down. What happens when you start hanging? At first glance, hanging looks passive, but the impact on your body is massive. Here's what I noticed and what science backs up. 1. Spinal decompression. When you hang, gravity gently stretches your spine. It feels like traction therapy. Space opens between the vertebrae, taking pressure off discs and nerves. Perfect if your back gets tight from sitting or lifting. 2. Posture reset. Hanging naturally pulls your shoulders back and down. It reverses neck and rounded shoulders, giving your upper body a reset. Your scapula, shoulder blades, re-engage, your chest opens, and your rib cage expands. 3. Shoulder health and mobility. This one blew my mind. Hanging literally creates more space inside your shoulder joint. That means less impingement, fewer pinches, and better range of motion. For me, daily hangs loosened up years of tightness. 4. Grip strength boost. Grip strength was the first thing I noticed improving. After a couple weeks, I could hang longer without slipping. And here's the crazy part. Research shows grip strength is a strong predictor of overall health and longevity. A huge 2015 study in The Lancet found grip strength predicts risk of heart disease, fractures, hospital visits, and even early death, more accurately than blood pressure. So when you train grip, you're not just improving your pull-up game. You're literally working on your lifespan. 5. Nervous system reset. This one surprised me the most. Hanging activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode. After each hang, I felt calmer, looser, and more grounded. It was like meditation for my body. My 30-day dead hang journey. Here's how I started and what happened along the way. Week 1. I could barely hang for 20 to 30 seconds without slipping. My shoulders felt tight and my grip gave out fast. But I noticed immediate relief in my back after each hang. Week 2. My grip strength started improving. I could manage 40 to 50 seconds comfortably. My posture already felt better. I was standing taller without trying. Week 3. Shoulder mobility opened up. Reaching overhead, something I didn't even realize was restricted, suddenly felt easy. I had less neck tension too. Week 4. By the end, I could hang for nearly 2 minutes straight. My back felt decompressed every day, my chest more open, and my stress levels lower. It was like giving my body a daily reboot. How to start hanging, beginner-friendly guide. You don't need fancy equipment to start. Here's how. Find your bar. A pull-up bar, doorway bar, gym rack, or even a sturdy tree branch works. Relax into it. Grab the bar, let your shoulders rise, and let your body lengthen. Don't force it. Just breathe and let gravity do the work. Start small. Begin with 10 to 20 seconds. Do 2 to 3 sets per day. Over time, build up to 1 to 2 minutes total per day. Stay consistent. This isn't about hanging the longest. It's about showing up every day. Consistency brings the results. Optional progression. Once comfortable, try active hangs, slightly pulling your shoulder blades down and back. Add pull-ups, knee raises, or leg raises to build strength. Who should avoid dead hangs? While hanging is safe for most people, there are a few exceptions. If you have recent shoulder surgery or injury, severe rotator cuff tears, serious spinal issues, then check with a doctor or physiotherapist before starting. Why everyone should try hanging. Think of hanging as the most natural posture fix you've never tried. In just a couple minutes a day, you get spinal decompression, better posture, healthier shoulders, stronger grip and longer lifespan, a calmer nervous system. After 30 days, my body honestly felt brand new. Something as simple as hanging turned out to be a daily medicine for my back, shoulders, and even my stress. Final thoughts, your 30-day challenge. If you spend most of your day sitting, if your shoulders feel stiff, if your posture feels crunched forward, try this. Commit to hanging every day for the next 30 days. Even just 10 seconds. You'll feel the difference in days, and by the end of the month, you won't believe how much your body has changed. Hanging isn't a workout. It's a reset button. A way to give your body back the space, mobility, and alignment it was designed for. So don't just watch this. Go grab a bar, hang for a few seconds, and see what happens. Trust me, in 30 days you'll thank yourself.